I'm going to make a Green Goddess protein shake using the Herbalife Nutrition vanilla flavor. I'm using milk as the base for this, but of course you can use a plant-based milk or even yogurt as well. And ice just to keep it really nice and cool. These shakes are a great way of getting in all the nutrients you need if you're on the run for a busy, active lifestyle. I love using greens in this, so I'm using cucumber. Cucumber, spinach and celery will go really well together. If they're good organic cucumbers, keep the skins on. Some spinach, use the stalks as well, lots of fibre in the stalks. And then chop it up. The key is just using the best seasonal fruit and vegetables that you can get. I find lemon or lime really helps to give this a great zingy freshness. Then blend it up. Give it a good 20-30 seconds. It looks great. Very fresh. Look at that. Oh,